fast food restaurants. There are many fast food restaurants in Kuwait, like Pizza Hut, Burger King, McDonald's, and Hardee's. They have delicious meals that with very high calories, so you shouldn't have their meals every day because you will gain weight. Fast meals
Cold. Cold.
also called junk food because it has low value. The best thing is eat fresh and healthy food like vegetables, fish and meat.
Okay, show us what you have. This is
Hardee's.
burger from Hardee's. Okay.
Hardee's, Pizza Hut, Pizza.
Okay.
Burger King and Burger King pizza.
Good. Very good. And do you have pictures for healthy food? Show me. Look, boys. These are some pictures of healthy food. Very good, Amor. Good job.
This for fast
Fast food restaurants, ممتاز.